pull back your mulch, get all the existing weeds out of the bed, and then put this stuff down to prevent more from popping back up in the future. You guys love maintenance-free and low-maintenance yards. It's what I get asked about all the time. Catherine, we want you to redesign it, but just make sure it's low maintenance. You guys, I have a product for you. There is an industry-wide secret that I'm going to tell you, and it is called pre-emergent. This is an example of a pre-emergent that I have right here. Basically, it's a granular material, meaning not liquid, it's granular, right? That's where that word comes from. That you spread out over your landscape beds so that it prevents new seeds from germinating and popping out. It takes care of them and kills them before they emerge, pre-emergent. So that's what this stuff is. This particular kind that you see in front of me is actually used on established lawns and landscape beds. So what that means is if you already have a landscape bed around your house or around your tree or whatever, you pull back your mulch that you have existing. If it's pine straw, you pull all that back and spread this. Now this stuff only kills the seeds before they pop up. It does not kill existing weeds that are already growing up in your landscape beds. So basically you would pull back your mulch, get all the existing weeds out of the bed, and then put this stuff down to prevent more from popping back up in the future. Because you know, when you pull those weeds out, they can drop little seeds all over the place that you don't really see into the fresh landscape soil, and then you're left with new weeds all over again, which is exactly what you don't want. There's also varieties that you can use if you're doing a new tilled up landscape bed, and you can put that pre-emergent down. That's a different type than this, but you can buy that and put that down. That's what landscapers will use if they come and give you a brand new landscape, rip out all your old shrubs, till up the soil, they'll put that pre-emergent in, and then they'll put your new plants in, so that you'll have a really long time before you'll ever have to pull a weed, and that is an absolute dream. Of course, you can use this in combination with landscape fabric. You guys have seen that. It's in rolls. You cut the holes out for your landscape plants. I don't use landscape fabric myself just because I think it's kind of tedious and it's a lot of work to make sure you're getting it all in there, and then weeds tend to pop up in the holes anyway. So if you want to use a combination of landscape fabric and pre-emergent, that will really assure that you won't have any weeds popping up for a long time, and you'll get that low maintenance landscape that you've been looking for.